Here are some of the supplies you could use. This is just a small watercolor sketchbook that I like to use. It's not too big, it's like 8 by 10. And then just a random piece of cardboard, which you can just get from anything. Some tape, any kind of artist masking tape will work. And then I just use a double set of Crayola watercolors. They're not fancy, but they work just fine. You don't have to spend a ton of money to be able to create great artwork. And that's the tropical set, by the way. And then just a small cup that you can put water in, for watercolors, of course. And just any kind of paintbrush that you prefer. And lastly, a white gel pen for the stars. Here I am just taping the paper to the cardboard so that when I put water on it, the paper will not warp or get wrinkled. For watercolors, I like to go from the lightest color to the darkest color because it's not like you can really erase mistakes with watercolor. And then to make the colors more vibrant, I just do multiple layers of the same color. Now I am adding the stars with my white gel pen. Some people prefer to do this by splattering white acrylic paint